This is a 2012 Chevy Equinox, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we have to do is to remove the door panel. Now there's a little cover right here. You can get your screwdriver in there and pop the cover off. Whoa, it always goes flying. Now underneath there, you will see two 8mm headed screws. And we need to remove those. Next, where the pull handle is here, there's a little cover, and we need to remove that. That's the little cover. For some reason, they put a 7mm headed bolt underneath there. So we're going to remove that. Next, we have to take our trim tool and go on the edge of the door panel and release the clips. I'll start down here in the lower corner. Alright, all the clips are removed. And there is our door panel. We don't have to remove any of the wires because they're not in our way. We'll just let the panel stay right there like that. Next, we need to remove this panel right here that is over our piece with the... We don't have to take it completely off. That's enough right there to get at the bolts that secure the mirror on. Next thing we have to do is to disconnect the wire from the mirror. There's a little connection right here. And that's all disconnected now. Next, we need to remove these three 10mm headed bolts that secure the mirror on. There is nothing holding the mirror on, so it'll come right out, just like that. And then you have to fish the wire past this seal. And there's the mirror. All removed. Now to replace our mirror, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point on, and we will have replaced our mirror on our Chevy Equinox.